Hi friends, welcome to Nisha's Food Hut. Today we are going to see to make Idiyappam very easily without kneading and making ourselves trained. For that, in a pan I have taken rice flour 1 cup, salt that is required for the rice flour to give the taste. I am adding 1/3/4 cup of water. Please don't switch on the stove. We have to mix all these without any lumps and then only we are going to cook the flour. Use a whisker to mix the rice flour and the water. Now after you see the batter is very smooth, now it's ready to switch on the stove flame. As soon as you see in a minute or two the mixture starts to thicken, at that time add 1 spoon of oil so that the dough gets a little smoother. After 5 minutes of time, you can see the dough has started to combine well. We are going to cook 2 more minutes so that the dough gets cooked very well. So finally, if you see now, our dough has fully combined. Now it's ready for us to make the idiyappam. Here, the heatness in the dough plays the pivotal role in making the idiyappam. Prepare the idiyappam as soon as it is being cooked from the hot pan. The dough should be hot so that we can easily prepare the idiyappam. And if you see now, I am using the idiyappam maker. In the mold, I am going to just add some oil and I am going to grease it well inside out. I am going to use the string popper imprint. From the half of the dough, I have taken half. I am going to add it to the mold and I am going to fix the string maker's cap to it. Now it is all set to make the string popper. In the pan, I am going to just add some oil and grease it well. This is an easiest way to make the idiyappam. In no minute of time, you can prepare around more than 10 to 15 idiyappams in 10 minutes. Just thoroughly circle the idiyappam. Cook it for a minute in medium flame and open it. And if you see, we are just going to flip it. If you find a little difficult in flipping it, you can just give a gentle push on the pan so that it turns upside down. See how easily we have prepared our idiyappams. So finally 30 seconds for us to cook, flip and cook. And here we go, our idiyappams, easy and very coolly we have prepared the idiyappams. Please do try this recipe at home and do let your comments about our video in this comment section. Subscribe to Nisha's Food Hut. Stay connected, keep watching. See you in next video.